Hello friends! Do you see all these colorful kites in the sky? Today we are going to learn about a very special festival called Makar Sankranti. Are you ready? Let's go! So, what is Makar Sankranti? Makar Sankranti happens every year in January, when the sun moves into a new zodiac sign called Capricorn or Makar in Sanskrit. That's why we call it Makar Sankranti. It's like the sun saying,
"Time for longer days and warmer weather."
Isn't that cool? Okay, so why do we celebrate? This festival is also about harvest time. Farmers bring in their crops and everyone thanks nature for giving us food.
For this food, we thank Mother Nature and all the farmers.
On Makar Sankranti, people eat yummy sweets made of sesame seeds and jaggery called til gur.
Here, take this till good.
Thank you.
They are sweet and healthy too. And best part, flying kites. The sky becomes full of colors like a giant rainbow made of kites. Okay, now, did you know Makar Sankranti has different names in different parts of India? In Tamil Nadu, it's called Pongal. In Punjab, people celebrate Lohri. And in Assam, it's Bihu. Isn't it amazing how one festival can be celebrated in so many fun ways? This festival teaches us to share, care, and celebrate together. Just like kites fly high in the sky, we should also dream big and reach for the stars. So friends, this Makar Sankranti, let's enjoy sweets, fly kites and spread happiness everywhere. From me to you, Happy Makar Sankranti!